Every planet in our solar system bears the scars of ancient impacts. Vast craters, shattered surfaces, and landscapes reshaped by cosmic collisions. Earth is no exception. Our world has survived asteroid strikes that wiped out species, altered climates, and reshaped the course of evolution. But unlike any other planet, we now possess the knowledge and technology to recognize these threats long before they arrive, and, for the first time, the ability to fight back. In 2022, humanity tested that ability with a bold experiment, the DART mission. A small spacecraft, no larger than a refrigerator, hurled itself into an asteroid millions of kilometers away, not to destroy it, but to nudge it ever so slightly off course. It might seem insignificant, but in planetary defense, a tiny change today can prevent a catastrophe tomorrow. DART was more than a test. It was a declaration, a message to the cosmos that humanity refuses to remain vulnerable. Today, we explore the true impact of that mission, not just the moment of collision, but the new era of asteroid defense it has unleashed and the future it shapes for Earth. Earth moves through a cosmic shooting gallery. Millions of asteroids orbit the Sun, some harmless, some enormous, and some whose orbits intersect dangerously close to our own. Most pass by unnoticed, but a few wander too close. A single city-sized asteroid striking Earth could release more energy than 1 billion nuclear bombs, turning regions into craters and altering the planet's climate for decades. Throughout Earth's history, impacts have brought both annihilation and transformation. The asteroid that ended the age of the dinosaurs 66 million years ago reset the evolutionary clock and nearly erased life as we know it. Countless smaller impacts over billions of years have scarred continents and shaped geological history. Today, with telescopes scanning the heavens, we track thousands of near-Earth objects. Some are predictable, others appear suddenly, hidden in the glare of the sun or arriving from unexpected angles. The danger is real, persistent, and inevitable. The only question has been whether humanity could ever do anything about it, until now. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test, DART, was a mission unlike any before it. Its goal was deceptively simple: to move an asteroid, not by breaking it apart, but by gently altering its orbit through kinetic impact. The target was Dimorphos, a moonlet orbiting a larger asteroid called Didymos. Neither posed a threat to Earth, making the system an ideal testing ground. DART traveled for nearly a year through the darkness of space, guided by autonomous navigation systems that could lock onto a moving target the size of a football stadium. In its final moments, the spacecraft transmitted images of the surface rushing toward it, boulders, shadows, ridges, until suddenly, the feed cut to black. At that moment, DART hit Dimorphos at over 6 kilometers per second. The spacecraft was obliterated, but its momentum transferred to the asteroid, nudging it ever so slightly. What followed was a suspenseful period of observation. Telescopes around the world watched Dimorphos closely, measuring whether its orbit had changed. When the results came in, they were astonishing. DART had not merely nudged the asteroid. It had altered its orbit by a far greater margin than expected, thanks to the plume of debris ejected from the impact, which acted like a booster rocket in reverse. Humanity had successfully moved a celestial body for the first time in history. Asteroid deflection relies on a simple principle. A tiny change in an asteroid's velocity, if applied early enough, can become a massive shift over time. DART's impact altered Dimorphos' orbit around Didymos by more than 30 minutes, an enormous change in planetary defense terms. This success demonstrated the power of kinetic impactors. The ejection of material from Dimorphos amplified the momentum transfer far beyond what models predicted. Instead of simply absorbing the collision, the asteroid effectively reacted like a thruster firing in the opposite direction. Scientists learned that shape, composition, internal structure, and surface material all dramatically influence how an asteroid will react to deflection. Rubble pile asteroids like Dimorphos, loose collections of rock held together by gravity, may be particularly responsive to kinetic impacts. Every data point DART gathered helps refine future strategies. This was not just a demonstration. It was a deep dive into the physics of preventing extinction. Long after the impact, observatories continued to monitor the Didymos system. The debris cloud spewed from Dimorphos expanded into a long tail, behaving like a miniature comet. Simulations revealed how different materials responded to the blast: boulders tumbling into space, dust drifting in sunlight, and larger fragments settling around the asteroid. These observations transformed our understanding of asteroid geology. For decades, scientists debated the internal structure of small asteroids. DART provided real-world data, confirming that many are not solid mountains of rock, but fragile, porous, loosely bound collections of debris. This knowledge is critical. A deflection strategy suitable for a solid metal asteroid may fail against a rubble pile, and vice versa. DART's true legacy is not just the impact, but the avalanche of scientific insight that followed, insights that will shape every future mission designed to save Earth. For the first time in history, humanity demonstrated that it can defend itself from a celestial threat. But DART was only the beginning. Future missions will build on its success, refining the techniques needed to protect Earth from asteroids of different sizes, shapes, and compositions. NASA and international partners are developing strategies that combine kinetic impactors, gravity tractors, and possibly nuclear options for the most extreme scenarios. Early detection remains crucial. Deflection works best when applied years or decades before a projected impact. DART's mission served as the proof of concept that planetary defense is not only possible, it is achievable and scalable. It proved that Earth is no longer merely a passive target in the cosmic shooting gallery. We are now active participants in shaping our destiny. As technology advances, the idea of a permanent planetary defense network becomes more than a dream. Space-based telescopes could scan the sky continuously, identifying threats long before they approach. Swarms of kinetic impactors could stand ready, pre-built and fueled, capable of launching on short notice. Autonomous spacecraft could intercept and characterize asteroids before impact tests are needed. The European Space Agency's Hera mission will soon visit Dimorphos to examine the crater DART carved, gathering critical data that will refine our methods even further. The combination of DART and Hera will act as the world's first planetary defense laboratory, a blueprint for every mission that follows. With each step, humanity strengthens its shield. The day may come when a dangerous asteroid is detected heading toward Earth, and instead of panic, humanity responds with confidence, launching a deflection mission with the knowledge that it will succeed. That day will mark the moment we truly take control of our survival in the cosmos. DART was more than a spacecraft. It was a promise that humanity will no longer wait for fate to strike from the sky. A promise that we will use our intelligence, our technology, and our unity to protect the only home we have. In the vastness of space, impacts are inevitable, but disaster is not. With DART, we prove that a tiny push at the right time can change the course of an asteroid and the future of our world. The true impact of the mission is not measured in meters or minutes. It is measured in hope, in resilience, and in humanity's rising ability to safeguard its own destiny.